Hi, my name is Tanya Sanders, and I am the Associate Director of Academics for NWOET. NWOET is a nonprofit organization. We travel around in Northwest Ohio to K through 12 school districts and train teachers how to use technology in their classroom. So we offer a lot of professional development to help that integration go smoothly. The video series that I am introducing here is a portion of how I assisted a school district in understanding how to use Google Sites to edit their webpage. It's very important information for anybody, but it was more specifically made for that school district. That's one of the services that we do, where we will help them develop projects. Their website, for instance, was needed to be revamped, and so basically that's what we did. We helped them build a brand new website, and then I gave them these tutorials to show them how to continue editing that after we were done with the website. So that's what this series is. I did take out a couple of videos that were very specific to their website and some of the tasks associated with those. But I just want to give you a heads up that you're still going to learn things about Google Sites and how to use them and how to build them, but every now and then it references the school district specifically. I am going to include a couple other videos. One, I'm going to include a new navigation video because their navigation is different, or was different for that case. And I'm also going to do a video about what is different and then give you some integration ideas of how to utilize that. Let me show you the YouTube series, the playlist. All of these videos, and there's going to be more here, go through each specific thing, and they're very tiny videos, very quick to watch. And then when you're totally done with this entire series of videos, then you're going to have the opportunity to earn contact hours towards your certificate at your teaching certificate. So I'm going to include in the description a Google form where you can do this, take an assessment, complete an assessment. And if you get an 80% or higher on the assessment, then you will receive a certificate via email, whatever email that you enter into that form. So I'm really excited about expanding this series. I'm really happy about the detail of each of these tools and specifics, talking about how to do each of these things. But do keep in mind, it was written with another district in mind. And I don't mean it to be impersonal, but it was such good information, I didn't want to have to re-record those. So enjoy, and I hope you like the additions that I give. And I will also include an email that if you have any questions in regards to any of the tools or the techniques that I'm showing you.